Then breathe in. Let it all out.
Oh.
And then on your back, face up. All right. There it goes. And then on your side, facing me this way. That hand here. Perfect. Good. And then same thing other side. Good. There you go. Stay here. I'm going to grab one more thing to do one more